What up, peeps? So, my brand new plate carrier, quick release plate carrier from Condor. I bought this for $125 in a 10. It's a very good plate carrier. You can see the mesh right here in a 10. Velcro here for patch, ear and handle, loops here, 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 here the place you can put a sappy plate. Here you can just for adjust the plate carrier like that. Yeah, I just want to know, peeps, if you are under 5'8", just don't buy this plate carrier. If you are under this, just buy the Emo PC plate carrier from Condor. It's just a good size for you. I'm a 5.8 feet and just fit perfectly, just tight. So yeah, honestly I recommend this product. It's a very good, resistant. Yeah, little disappointment when I buy the plate carrier. This was here. I never used this plate carrier on a game, on a paintball game. So yeah. Yeah, it's a good price for the quality of this. I just buy a 2-piece of utility pouch, medic pouch, in a 10 or coyote brown, I don't remember, for ear and ear. And I will buy a triple M4 or M16 mag pouch to hold just ear. I will place ear, American flag, USMC patch, and a Taliban anti-club right here. Maybe a Quebec or Canada flag, because I'm not American, but still cool, right? Thank you. Subscribe, like, and yeah. Si vous voulez une version française de ma vidéo, juste me le dire dans les comments. Thank you everyone. Peace on the street, son.